STEM professionals tend to think that persuasion is all about appeals to emotion, but lawyers know that the best arguments are grounded in logic and reason and research and structure. The most persuasive arguments are grounded in rules. In law, those rules come from cases, statutes, the Constitution. In the sciences, they might come from areas like physics or chemistry or mathematics. Let's say I'm watching a basketball game and I see a player on the ground. Both the referee and I have a vested interest in knowing whether that player's been fouled. But my interest is often emotional, right? I want my team to win, and that's all I care about. The referee cares about the rules. The referee is going to make the assessment of whether the player's been fouled, and that's going to be a more convincing way to determine the outcome of the game. Because our emotional responses to things don't matter nearly as much as our ability to convince people that our approach is correct, and rules are a much more effective way to make that sort of persuasive argument. The reality is that all of us who are experts in some area are eventually going to have to communicate our expertise to people who don't share it. And so it's crucial that we learn how to communicate complicated concepts to people and persuade them that our approach is correct, no matter what their level of expertise is. Learn all about this and more in the Master of Science in Law program at Northwestern Pritzker School of Law.